Discover the path to financial freedom with affiliate marketing. Congratulations on leaping to explore the possibilities of starting an online home-based business. Imagine a life where financial worries didn't dictate your choices. Your dream of breaking free from paycheck to paycheck cycle and embracing the future where bills ain't the source of stress, but merely a formality. Based on your answers, the best type of business for you is an affiliate marketing digital business. Consider Jane's story. She worked tirelessly in a job that barely provided enough to cover for her family's expenses, let alone fulfill her dreams. Feeling trapped by the constraints of the traditional job, Jane sought an alternative, a way to take control of her financial destiny. That's when she stumbled upon affiliate marketing, a path that opened the door to financial independence. With the proper knowledge of taking the right action, you can make this possibility a reality for you and your family. Why affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing holds the key. It's a low startup cost, $25, without the burdens of accompanying with starting at a traditional online business, offering a more accessible entry point. No product creation, focused solely on promoting products without the existing hassle of manufacturing and development. Flexible schedule. Enjoy making your own hours, working with who you want, allowing you to prioritize what really matters. Passive income. Embrace earning while actively working, affording the time to pursue your leisures. Diversify sources. Expand your financial stability by promoting various products and diversifying your income streams. Scarceability. Grow your business without constraints typically associated with a traditional business, allowing for expansion. Global outreach. Access global market, extending your earning potential across the borders with minimal risk, and engaging in a business with lower financial risk, fostering an environment for experimentation and learning. Continuous learning opportunities. Stay ahead of the learning curve and adapt to evolving trends and strategies. Freedom and independence. Attain the liberty to live the life on your terms, breaking away from financial limitations. Our exclusive offer. Now imagine yourself on a transformation journey towards financial freedom. You're uncovering the immense potential of affiliate marketing, aligning yourself perfectly with your aspirations for the life less burdened from financial constraints. We're excited to extend this invitation to our group coaching program. In our coaching program, you'll receive guidance. We'll identify profitable niches. We'll craft a robust online presence, implementing effective marketing strategies, maximize your profit through affiliate partnerships, and much, much more. Limited spots are available, so act now to secure your spot and embark on the journey of financial liberation. Join our group coaching program. Sign up now. Initiate your transformation towards a life where financial worries no longer dictate your choices. We're thrilled to welcome you aboard to our community of inspiring entrepreneurs ready to harness the incredible potential of affiliate marketing. Let's collaborate to script your success story, to build a thriving online business that you could be proud of, that supports the life that you envision. Here's to empowering your journey towards financial independence.